If I could name July in one word, it would be transition. A quiet shift that I didn't see coming, but maybe I needed. July reminded me of three things. Let go of what holds you back, even if it once felt safe. Ending something doesn't mean that you won't try to fix it. It simply means that it can't stay the same anymore. And lastly, to make myself a priority without an apology. The most beautiful thing from this month? A tiny crochet flower handmade by my mom. Here it is. If you will see it in real life, you would be just mesmerized with this. My mom made this. It is so pretty. The sunflower, always turning to the light, quietly reminding me to do the same. It stayed close all month, and I think a part of me bloomed with it. But I struggled too, dedicating and managing time for my deep study sessions. Some days I showed up, others I just sat with the overwhelm. Okay, so I drew this lighthouse. No reason, just instinct. Maybe that's what July was all about, staying grounded and still searching. I told myself that I wouldn't binge watch this, and I didn't, like I always do. But this time, I didn't binge watch. Like, I watched a lot of movies, but I didn't binge watch. So, yes, I can say that I almost succeeded. The song I kept going back to this month, Another You. There was something about it, soft and almost fragile. I finally watched Gone Girl, intense, twisted, unforgettable. And then Materialist, a completely different vibe, a soft daydream in movie form. So I read four books. The one that stayed with me was Norwegian Wood by Murakami. It started slow, then hit me like quite grief, wrapping itself around me eventually. And then there's Maggie, my monsoon comfort, easy, warm, and nostalgic, like a hug from every rainy childhood memory. I am letting go of a version of me that no longer fits. The one who holds onto things long after they have served their time. And August feels like a chance to start over, to walk slower but with trust, hope, and presence. One soft win this month, waking up before 8 am, and honestly, I'm kind of proud of it. Just look at this little streak of consistency I have built. I think I have started to fall in love with that again. So now I am going to talk to you about all the books I read this month. The first poll was this: As Good as Dead, and this is the third part of that A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series. So this is the first book. The second was Murakami. Yes, I finally read it. Finally I read it. और एक बुक थी ये, जो चौथी बुक थी वो थी ये. All the books I got as a birthday present. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh god, I don't know, but this is a real amazing book. I can bet on that. First book, I am really happy. Here comes the predators. The Annihilator, the Keeper, the Emperor, and the Finisher. बाकी जो बुक्स मुझे मिली हैं वो ये हैं. Thank you, July, for the rain, the reminders, and the relief. Dear August, I'll meet you gently, not to rush, but to read. And lastly, I would like to recommend a song that I have been listening a lot lately. It's called Love by Wave to Earth, and I would like to dedicate it to everyone who is watching this video.